Bon appetit, paper engineers in training and Dagwood aficionados. This is kind of a leftover wrap today. I've got some of this pickled beet cream cheese left over, and I'm going to use it up on this wrap. So that is my base right there of what this wrap is going to be about. And might as well not leave any of this in here that I can get it all out as much as possible, because I don't like wasting nothing. All right, got that in there. That's the end of that. Okay. And now, I think what I'm going to do is put some of these alfalfa sprouts on here. Just like that. All right. Now that ought to offset the flavor of the cream cheese just a tiny bit, but not much. It's good for your food too. All right. Now I have some leftover Doritos scoops. I mean Fritos scoops. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to mash these things all up really good and throw them in this wrap as well. Now that is going to jack up the crunch value a lot. Okay. Alrighty. And now we're going to put in some of this here pickles. And yeah, there we go. And now comes the Thai noodles. We're going to put them on there. There's not very many of them. But the nice thing is they can all lay in there just like that. They won't go anywhere. Easy to eat. And now we're going to do some fried potatoes and some bacon on there just like that. Okay. Now what we've got is we got a nice, healthy, thick wrap. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more of this here roughage on there just because it's good stuff and it's good for you. There we go. Okay, now we're going to have to fold this big boy up and see how well it tastes. I think it's going to be just fine. All right. And there is a basic Dagwood wrap. So, thank you, Van, very much. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate that. And so there is a Dagwood wrap. I'd do a cross section, but if I did that, it'd fall apart. I goofed up. I forgot the main part. These are seedless dried pitted dates. And I wanted to do this so bad, I forgot to do it. Okay, well, so far the sandwich has been really good. This is going to change it up a little bit. Usually they won't go back together. Okay. Just a hint of sweet from the dates. Yeah. This is my Dagwood date wrap. Wow. Bacon, crushed up Fritos are crunchy. Alfalfa sprouts, that's really good. Well, Dagwood engineers, there you go. Another Dagwood. This is a wrap.